Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Spotify not working problem on Samsung Galaxy S26. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library, so just swipe up. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and search apps. You will see apps is here. Scroll down and search Spotify app. So search Spotify app. You will see Spotify app is here. So click on Spotify. Scroll down and click on storage. So if you want to fix Spotify not working problem, so click on clear cache. So after click on clear cache, go back to home screen. Refresh phone, you will check your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix Spotify not working problem on Samsung Galaxy S26. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.